to the C Squared universe. Thank you so much for being part of my world today. Today I have an unboxing, and I love unboxings. And this is the FabFitFun box. This is the winter box. This is the winter box. I love the subscription service, and with that being said, special shout out to my fiance who made this possible. Because of him, I am subscribed to these things and I'm able to review them on my channel for you guys. And that is alongside a lot of the other things that I buy is thanks to him. And I've been very lucky with him. He's a great man. I've been very lucky with God above all. So I thank God for him too, because I really lucked out, guys. I got a great man by my side. Ooh, did you hear that? That's literally like the heating system in my apartment. Anywho's, this is the inside of the box, right? And it comes with a magazine on the inside that basically tells you what you got and whatnot. And yeah, so this is pretty cool. And it tells you the value of your box too. One of the things that I love about FabFitFun is that you get $300 or $250 worth of products for $54.99 on a quarterly basis. This is the winter box. So I have that. Love the subscription service. You have no idea. I'm so grateful to my fiance for making it happen. They give you codes and stuff like that. Like they gave me a code. Like take a moment for yourself. This is for like if I wanted to refer somebody. You get $15 off your first box. So if anybody out there wants this, let me know. I will give it to you. Because it's totally worth it. So the first thing that comes in this box is this. And they always send me this. And I keep telling my fiance that we should really use it. It's a $90 gift card with HelloFresh. And I'm always getting these. And I'm like, oh my God. And that's some of the value of the box. So I'm like, we need to use it. But my fiance's like, that's a subscription service and blah, blah, blah. I don't know. And I'm like, so what? Like, you know, let's try it. Trying to like, whatever. Plus, I got a $90 credit. So, you know, and I have so many of these. You know, I'm about to go and find out if I can use the other ones too. Because, I don't know, do they expire? Like, I don't know. Because if not, if they don't expire, I have like over $300 worth of these cards. Like, it's crazy like that. But anywho's, that's that. So let me open this up. Oh my gosh. I love the spring box. I wish I would have showed you guys the spring box. Oh, I love the spring box. Spring box was awesome. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. Ooh, so that's right. So you get to choose, once the customization is open, you get to choose 2 of the products that you might want. So one of the things that I chose was the Bluetooth shower speaker. So that I could listen to some tunes in the shower. Even though normally I like to shower and be like at ease and calm and just like, you know, it's a calming thing for me, showers. But this is cool. I said, oh, why not? On the days that, you know, I'm trying to get like amped up and stuff. Then they sent me this dead sea salt. Sea salt sauce. Sea salt sauce. Sounded like a tongue twister there. So I don't even know how to use this. Soak for 15 minutes and then rinse. Dissolve 1 to 2 packets into hot bath. Soak for 15 minutes and then rinse. So I like this brand. I've gotten stuff from FabFitFun from this brand called Abaha. I've never tried this, but I would love to. Okay, we shall see about that. Then I got this. It's yoga. Calm and clean Epsom salt hands and body wash. Daily cleaning ritual. So it's a body wash and a hand soap. And that's cool. Let me see if I could tell you the prices of the stuff in my box as we go along. That way you guys know or whatnot how much is worth everything in the box. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I cannot find it. Oh Lord. Okay. Let me see. I'm trying to see if I find it for you guys because it normally does. I don't know why. It doesn't say it here. Am I missing something? Like, no, I'm not missing anything. I'm sorry. I'm not. I don't know why, but I can't find it, but give me a second to see if I find it. One. Okay, guys, so I found it. It was actually this side, and the hat and arm warmers. I don't have it with me right now because I have it somewhere else in the house, but I got this in the box too as an additive because you can add things to your box for like a small price. Like this for me was $15 to add on, so it's really cute, really cute. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing that I showed you guys. The wireless Bluetooth shower speaker is $30. The box is valued from $211 to $345. So think about that, and you're only paying $54 for the box. This is $30. The soap, let's see how much this costs. This is 6B, $40. So right now we got $30, $40, $70 worth of products in just two things. So you already got your money's worth. The $54, you already got your money's worth. The sea salt is $16. So now we are 30, 40, 70, 16, 86. Sorry, I'm gonna be trying to do this math in my head because I don't have my phone with me because I'm filming from my phone. So $86. So point blank is that you already got your values worth with just these three things. Next thing is the makeup eraser. This is something that you use on your face when you have all your makeup on and you don't want to use like anything else. You just wet this and then put it on your face. I'm pretty sure that's how it goes because wow, it's antibacterial, which is my favorite word of all time. Reusable and lasts 3 to 5 years. Great for sensitive skin and saves money. I've never tried this, but it always caught my eye. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it because I was scared of, bacteria. But it says antibacterial, so that's great. I had actually bought the face halo makeup removers that are similar concept to this. And I can't wait to try this actually. Like, this is pretty cool. Yeah, it is the same kind of thing. Works like a suction cup, special blend of polyester, made of millions of tiny hair-like fibers, 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair. So it's like the face halo kind of. That's how the face halo is. But I can't wait to try this because I've been wanting to try this too. So that alone was, let's see, $20. That's how much that was. Then I have the Soft Focus Glow Drops, which is the Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Ooh, it's a primer. Yes, I need a primer. Well, I have a primer, but it's nice to have like options. Soft Focus Glow, perfect base for makeup, dewy skin effect, antioxidant benefit for healthy looking skin. I like that. I like to do what's good for my skin. So that's that. And the price for that was, let's see, the magical number. The magical number is $55. That's expensive. Wow. So just a quick math run, 70, 86, 106. So we're already at about $155, more or less. Then we have Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is cool. Okay, the cool thing about this is that it's a heat protector too. Because I was gonna say, my hair doesn't really get tangled like that. I have very fine hair, and when I was a kid, it used to get really tangled, but because I had a lot of it. But now, as I got older, my hair kind of thins out and I don't have as much hair as I used to. It's formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. The lightweight detangler protects hair from heat up to 450 degrees and preps hair for optimal performance of styling products. Spray onto dry bangs, fringe, and to freshen up your look. Brush through before blow drying. This is for, see, that's the thing, blow drying. I don't really blow dry my hair. I more flat iron it. So I don't know if I be using this. I don't know, but maybe if I spray it on my hair and then let it dry and then use this the flat iron, it'll work too. But anyway, this is still an awesome buy, and let's see how much this costs. And it's by that brand Dry Bar, which is pretty popular nowadays. It's $23, so that's good. I'll try it out. See how it works. See how it works with a flat iron. The next thing that I got is, I'm like, look at this stuff. 4D. Oh, a 12-month rose flow planner. You know, you can go online and see what you got, but I completely forgot what I was getting. So this is like all new to me. Oh my gosh, it's by Paper Source. Look how nice this planner is. Aw, 2020, bring in the year. I look forward to using this. Yay. And then last but definitely not least, and then that planner also, before I go on, is $30. So I said we were about $155, $160. That's $30. So now we're like about $180. Next we have one of the things that I was like, oh yay, 1B, which is the Unhide Little Marshmallow Stay Cozy All Night with this fox fur fowl. I'm pretty sure is how it's actually pronounced, I think. I don't know. Fur blanket. It's not real fur. That's basically what they're saying. And I am excited about this. You know why? Because my fiance hogs the blanket sometimes, and I just want to kill him. No, babe, if you see this, I'm sorry. I'm just joking. I love ya. This is it. Oh, it feels like, oh wow. It's like super, like compressed in there. But it looks like it's gonna be super cozy. I can't wait. And the value on this is $65. So we were like at about 180, 65, like, so basically like 200 and something dollars, 240 maybe. That's me doing a quick math in my head. But okay, so that's my FabFitFun box. Guys, this is, if you have any subscription service, it should be this one. Like, look at everything you got and how it doubled what you paid for. So it's totally worth it. Totally worth it. So go ahead and, you know, check it out and see if you're interested. Let me know if you want the little code and I'll give it to you. And, you know, if you live near me or whatever the case is, I could give it to you. Maybe I can give it to my sister too, but let me know what you guys think and what you guys want. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being part of my world and taking the time out to see what I have to say about this. And please know that I will only be referring things to you and letting you know about things that I honestly believe is totally worth the money and that I believe you guys should have. And that, you know, your hard-earned bucks are, you know, worth it. Like, you're paying $54, but you're getting over $200 worth of products, and good products at that, because I have been happy with every single FabFitFun box. Like, they're really awesome. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for being part of my world today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and be part of my world. I think that you can also at the end of the video, when I put up the little thing, you can subscribe, like just click right there, and that's awesome. So please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, which I will post up here. Thank you so much again, and go ahead and try this stuff out, guys. I think it's totally worth it, and I will 100% vouch for it. Like, yes, this is totally worth it. You know, it's totally worth it. Like, even though, you know, my fiance's paying for this, and again, that's another thing. If my fiance is paying for this, I want to make sure, you know, he works hard for his money. He works hard for his money. And I'm not going to sit here and recommend something that I don't believe in. So with that being said, totally worth it. And go grab yourself a FabFitFun box. Totally worth the price. Thank you so much for being here with me. And until next time, stay squared and pa'lante. Bye.